to insert logo in CapCut. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into the application CapCut. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in the home page, you need to click on New Video. And then select the video in which you want to insert the logo. Once it has been uploaded here, now what you need to do is, at the bottom you can see tons of different features. In order for you to add the logo, you need to click on Overlay. And then select the picture of the logo. Once you've selected, tap on Add, it will be uploaded here. You can zoom in or zoom out in order to adjust the size. And also you can set the duration of the logo, set according to your need. Once done, now what you need to do is, once again at the bottom, you can see tons of different features. You can see Remove Background. Click on it. And then tap on Chroma Key. Now you need to pick the color of white. Once you have selected, the background will be removed. Now you can also adjust the intensity, shadow, feather edge, and many more. There you can see that the white background has also been removed. Now you can place this logo wherever you want to in the screen. And then you'll be good to go. So this way you will be able to insert any of the logo in CapCut. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.